Tom here, FlipAnything USA. So today we'll talk about sometimes you gotta push real estate agents. There's different conditions that cause these situations where you need to. Usually the commission is enough and the incentive to get things sold to make some money, but not always. Sometimes that's not always the case.
It's the best thing I ever did!
Look, I've got a couple situations, I've had many in the past, where the dynamic is the agent represents the seller, and then you're presenting a price that might be less than what the agent had prepared the seller to get. In other words, he was preparing the seller for a price higher than what you're offering. And in situations like that, they sometimes drag their feet. They're a little reluctant to bring this offer that is lower than they had projected that the seller would get. And sometimes you're even better just even to use a different agent altogether. And sometimes I've actually changed agents just for that very reason, because the one that had the listing, he was just either not experienced or didn't want to face the offer. And now don't keep in mind, my offer might have been low anyways, but that's why you got to push your offer and say, look, I need to know now. I need to know now. Hey, by the way, folks, if you don't have my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate, been a bestseller on Amazon, Kindle, and Audible. You can get it. You don't like it, I'm just send it back. This will get you further than just about any course that's available out there. I also have a mentorship. Be sure to check out the mentorship. So I got a case right now. I've got an offer. This is a big one. I buy a lot of houses, of course, but also I buy some decent sized buildings, and I've got a building that's good size that I made an offer on. There's some special circumstances on this that I won't get into just yet. I'll share it with you after I get it, after I buy it. But always better to be cryptic too. Loose lips sink ships. So, but in this situation, and I got a couple agents that just, they're slow. They don't move quick enough. And, a lot of agents think that, I got so much on my table. Well, if you got so much on your table, maybe you shouldn't have taken the listing. If you got so much on your table, hand me over to somebody else that can take care of me, or I'll go get somebody else to do it for me. And I've had to do that. So you can't have a sheepish agent or a lazy agent or an unmotivated agent. It's the worst thing in the world. Never settle for a dog agent, and I mean when somebody that just is sleepy. It'll ruin you. Now sometimes you got no choice because they happen to land the listing, but in any event, you gotta push. You gotta push to get an answer now, not later. Time is of the essence. That's kind of a normal line we'll put in every contract to make it very clear that we need to get this resolved and settled now. And so always treat everything like time is of the essence, and you'll be a much more successful real estate agent. Or you'll be a much more successful agent too, by the way. But you'll be a much more successful investor as well. Time kills deals. Remember that. Time kills deals. While you're waiting for a seller to sign your offer, time is not in your favor. It just is not in your favor. So, hey, I'll leave it at that. Hey, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I've got probably 1,000 videos I've done. Be sure to go to FlipAnythingUSA.com and take a look at the testimonials. I've got several millionaires now, all from real estate after taking my mentorship. And many people made hundreds of thousands just using my book. So be sure to get it, check it out, see you, like, subscribe.